The impeachment trial of suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton continues this morning. This is a live look inside the Senate chamber where Drew Wicker, Paxton's former executive aide, was on the stand. He may still be on the stand, kind of hard to see here. He is the person, however, House managers say overheard a contractor at Paxton's home saying they needed to check with Nate Paul before adding upgrades to the renovation. KVUE's Ford Sanders is live inside the state capitol for us, and Ford, Wicker is not who the prosecution wanted to call up first this morning, right?
No, Jenny, you're right. Well, prosecutors actually wanted to first call up Laura Olson, the woman that's said to be Attorney General Ken Paxton's mistress. Now, Olson was at the Capitol. She actually started to enter the Senate chamber, and then she was stopped. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick explained Olson was given notice to appear yesterday at 3:53 p.m. The prosecution and defense agreed there had to be 24 hours notice before a witness takes the stand, so they could prepare questions to the witnesses. Now, Olson can't take the stand until this afternoon. The prosecution pivoted, calling up Ray Chester, an attorney who represented the Midday Foundation. He testified the AG's office intervention in the lawsuit between the foundation and real estate investor Nate Paul benefited Paul and caused pressure on the foundation. The House's next witness, well, we talked about it, Drew Wicker, Paxton's executive aide. The defense is on the attack, objecting to many of the questioning that's the prosecution is asking. But Wicker told jurors he was asked on multiple occasions to pick up and deliver things from Paxton to Nate Paul.
There were 3 occurrences in which I met Nate Paul to pick up or deliver items. The first was to deliver a manila envelope. The second was to pick up the general's phone that he had left at Nate Paul's office. And the third was to pick up documents related to the Midday Foundation to deliver to Ryan Bangert.
Wicker is testifying about the home renovation now. Prosecutors say that Paxton gave Paul access to and help from his office in exchange for that home renovation from Paul. We're going to have more of that tonight coming up at 5 and 6. Live from the Texas State Capitol, Ford Sanders, KVUE News.
Ford, thank you. And a reminder, you can watch the trial live right now over at KVUE Plus. KVUE's managing editor of political content, Ashley Godot, and senior reporter Tony Pohetsky continue to bring us gavel-to-gavel coverage plus in-depth analysis. So download KVUE Plus for free on your Roku, Apple TV, or Fire TV device.